Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to DIY your own sugaring wax, which is going to be hard wax guys. And the best part about it is going to remove hair from roots, and it is also going to remove all the dead skin you have over. And I believe that waxing is the best technique to remove hair from your body because it helps in giving you good 4 to 5 weeks of a hairless body, and it is also not going to cause any kind of irritation because this can be easily prepared at home, and that is going to make you devoid of any kind of irritation or skin problem you might get from using the wax which are available in the market. So we are going to get into the video guys.
So guys, first of all you need to take some granulated sugar, and here I have taken 1.5 cup of it. And then you need 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And after that guys, I'm going to mix all ingredients together in a pan, and I have put the pan on induction. And then I am going to turn the heat on. And through the entire procedure guys, just make sure that you need to stir it continuously so that it doesn't stick to the base. And once it start to boil, the bubbles are going to appear on the surface, and in the beginning they are going to be white, but just make sure to turn the heat off once they turn into little honeyish color guys. And here we are done, and I'm going to take the mixture into a bowl. And our hard wax is ready guys, and this is how the molten lava look like. And this is completely appalling to me. And then I just see the growth I have on my hands, and this is pretty much good amount of growth it is. And then I'm going to take little on my hand and I'm going to remove it. And I hope that you guys are able to see the difference as it is removing the hair. This is not as painful as I thought it to be, and this is working pretty well guys. So just keep doing it, and it is a really fun thing for me. And here I have applied some more, and I'm going to rip it off. And if it causes too much of discomfort and pain to you, just apply a little pressure using your hand so that it doesn't pain more. And with the help of spatula guys, I'm applying it on my arm, as you guys can see. And this is a nice procedure to remove hair, and it is also removing the dead skin cells from my hand, and which is brightening my skin pretty well, which I'm going to show you in the end. And I made a roll out of it guys. Yeah. And this is all I have collected in the end, and I've done waxing my entire arm, and this feels super smooth guys. It was an amazing experience, and I wanted to show you how it has even brightened my skin because it has already removed the dead skin cells I had over. And this is my other arm guys. I wanted to show you the difference. I have not waxed it yet, but just wanted to show you that I had a pretty good amount of hair. And I hope that you are able to see the difference. And we are done here guys.
So guys, this was all about the DIY sugaring hard wax, and if you have any queries related to this, let me know in the comments down below. And also give it a thumbs up if you want me to do more videos like this. Also make sure to follow me on my social media, a link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below and somewhere after this video. And make sure to subscribe to my channel to be a part of Beauty Squad, and click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. So guys, this was... Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today